Hello guys, welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. My name is Krzysztof and today I will show you how to get free cryptocurrency and this amount is 60 USDT.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
How to get 60 USDT cryptocurrency? It's very simple. You need to go to CoinCasso market and this company created AirDrop for new customers. More information about this you'll find in the article section, in the news section. Here is a post from yesterday, and if you click on this link, you'll find more details about this airdrop. This airdrop is for now new person who doesn't have yet account, and this promotion is to end of this month or when 500 new user create a new account and make a verification. But going to begin. How to get 60 USDT cryptocurrency. First, you can get 10 USDT for register and validation verification your account in KYC. Here's information about it. We have great news. We start a new program especially for you. From today, you will receive 10 USDT for registration and going through KYC. What's more, if you invite 5 users to CoinCasso, you will receive an additional 15 USDT bonus. Check how to can prove it easily. So first, what you need to create your account in CoinCasso. Second, you need to make a verification your account in KYC. How to make this? Company preparing tutorials, so you can find it in a CoinCasso page. And when you go to CoinCasso homepage, coincasso.com, and go down, here's section check our video tutorials, and here is information how to register, login, or trade your platform. So this is first step. Second step is how to verify your account in KYC. This is very simple. Tutorials is around 1 minute per video. So it's very simple to register and to make verification KYC. Second step, when you will be qualified here and you get bonus, you can get additional 15 USDT cryptocurrency when you invite 5 people. And of course, they need to register and going through KYC like the same way what you make in your account. And of course, you need remember this is only 15 USDT bonus will only be given to first 100 people. So you need hurry up to get your 15 USDT cryptocurrency. How to refer this 5 people? Of course, you can invite your friends, your family. So this is very simple. Or you can put your referral link to your social network and from your social network. I forgot to spoke about it. To invite 5 people in KYC, you need use your referral link, what you find in your CoinCasso panel when you create account and you log in into this CoinCasso. On the left, you will be see section with referral, and there will be your referral link to share with your friends, for family, from person who you want to invite. And of course, this information about referral link is here, so you can simply watch this video and you'll find information how to referral 5 new person. Of course, this is not only a bonus from referral link, because when somebody register on this cryptocurrency market and make some trading, you will get some commissions from his trading on this platform. And like you see, here's additional methods to buy CCX token and earn with CoinCasso. I think more about this I will speak in next video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see in the next one.